Two headlight leveling systems exist on BMW. Stay with us, we'll explain about each one of those today. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW. If you have one of those and you're trying to find where your headlight leveling sensors are located, stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. Many of you may actually experience having malfunction codes, lights related to that because it's part of the suspension, and suspension is always exposed to elements, rust, snow, dirt, all kind of stuff guys, mud. So stay with us, we'll explain. You may have a very simple design, or you may have something really more complicated like this one here, so we will explain what you can expect in both cases. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos guys. We're constantly getting new cars here at the garage, working on that BMW now. We got a Dodge Challenger that will be working. We have more than 15 vehicles waiting to be shot guys, so videos are coming all the time. If you need help with anything, leave a comment below our videos and we'll try to make a video for your problem. That way we can help you, we can help other people with that problem, and we can build a community where we help each other. If you need to buy any parts tools for your car at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from guys, and you can save a ton of money. So how the headlights work on the BMW, the leveling system, it really depends on which kind of headlights you have. Ours are the ones that level themselves going up and down, and they can actually even turn left and right. Turning left and right is through the steering angle sensor. The engine computer practically detects how much you turn the steering wheel, and it knows in which direction to turn the headlights. Depending whether you're in reverse or going forward, it can actually change the direction as well. But what about leveling when you load your vehicle, okay, or you're going on a hill or anything like that, how it can affect it as well? Let's say you put more load, you have more people, more luggage in the car, the rear end will go down. So most BMWs will have, okay, the headlight leveling sensor on a rear control arm, like this one here. It's on the lower control arm through that arm right here, and when the control arm goes up, it will detect how much the vehicle is down practically, and it will adjust the headlights. So you will have one of those on each side, one on the left side usually, okay, you can have one on the right side as well. It really depends guys, okay, on the on the build of your BMW too. And this specific model, if you pay attention guys, it has only one of them, okay. On the right side it's missing that, okay, it doesn't have it, nothing is there. On the left side, okay, we have it. So now you have one on the rear axle, because practically will detect how much load you have in the rear. Some models guys may have multiple ones, and you may have on the front as well, okay. For instance right here, that's the front end, and if we come right there, the leveling system is attached to the front left control arm, okay, right here. This is the other one that we have here guys. So we have another one on the left, one on the rear left, one on the front left. So let's explain. We have one on the front right, and you're going to notice that you don't have one guys, okay. You will just have most of the time on the left side of the vehicle only. So it will detect the front left control arm movement and the rear left control arm movement as well. That's how it works, that's where they're located. For any of you needing to figure this thing out, thank you for watching, see you guys next time.